Okay, let's talk about plyo push-ups, or that's short for plyometric push-ups, which is an explosive movement. So the goal here is to be able to do it in an explosive way. I would say 90% of people can't do a true plyo push-up all the way from the floor. They're pretty difficult. So I like to be a little bit elevated with my hands, use a box, use a bench. That way you can lock everything in tight and get a big push. You should be able to get actually off the bench with each one. Come as soon as you land, bring it back in for the next one. Push yourself away, come back in, push yourself away. Try to find a height where you can get an explosive push without rolling up like doing the worm on the way up. That's what you want to avoid.